Welcome to trout fishing in Iowa. One of the first places I ever trout fished was Big Mill Creek near Bellevue, Iowa. It's one of Iowa's nice little warm water streams. It's got some beautiful scenery, and it's close to the Quad Cities where I grew up. I'd last visited Big Mill in 2015, and I saw some stream improvement projects that the DNR was doing. I was intrigued to come back and see how they were going. I also had heard about a put and grow stream with wild brook trout that ran into the main stream. Now, last time I was here, it was summer and it was way too weedy to get up there, so I thought I'd come back in early spring and give it a try. It was my opening day trip and I was really excited. It's April 7th. 2019. It's always a lot of excitement for me on the first day of trout season. It had been raining through the day and the stream was pretty muddy, so I tried my good old pink squirrel. After a bit, I walked up the valley and I found a beautiful clear spring coming out of a rock shelter in the side of the hill. It was just amazing to watch. I walked back quite a ways in the valley and I tried all different spots in the little put and grow stream. It's really beautiful, but to be honest, the rain was coming down on top of me and the stream was really muddy and I wasn't having a lot of luck. So I thought I'd try to move down and try the main stream at Big Mill and try my luck there. One of the first things I noticed is that the lower part of the stream in 2019 looks a lot like the upper part did in 2015. A ton of trees cut down and a lot of the banks cleared. Coming back 4 years later and seeing what they did in 2015 and how that's matured, I'm really excited to see how this works out. I always like to fish places where one stream flows into another, especially if the feeder stream is nice and cold like it is here. So I went back and I tried my old standard pink squirrel and hooked into a gorgeous brown trout. What a beautiful fish.
It's been a pretty awesome day out here on Big Mill. Caught a beautiful brown trout right at my first area that I fished. Got to try the new put and grow area here. Followed that up, explored some new territory, found a spring coming out of the hill. That was really cool. And now just back at the parking lot enjoying a Dogfish Head Midas Touch. Trout fishing in Iowa is always kind of a Midas Touch thing. Everything turns to gold. And of course the sun came out right about as I was done fishing. Beautiful day in Iowa, beautiful April day.